Have you ever felt that your Audi used to feel sharper, more responsive, faster off the line, more aggressive when you pressed the throttle? But now, something feels different. Not broken, just less alive. The strange part? No warning lights, no mechanical failure, no obvious problem. So what happened? Here's the truth most Audi owners never hear. Your Audi rarely loses performance suddenly. It loses it slowly. And most of the time the cause is not the engine itself. It's small systems around the engine that gradually reduce efficiency. Today we're going to fix that, not with expensive modifications, not with tuning, but with 3 simple adjustments and maintenance actions that restore the performance your Audi already had from the factory. Because most owners try to add power, when what they really need is to recover the power they've already lost. First question, are you sure your Audi is running at full electrical power? Because modern Audi vehicles depend heavily on stable voltage. Everything from the transmission to the turbo control system relies on consistent electrical supply. If the battery is weak or partially discharged, the car adapts. Systems become more conservative. Shift timing changes. Throttle response softens. Sensors become less precise. And suddenly the car feels slower, not broken, just less sharp. This is extremely common in modern Audi vehicles with digital cockpit, advanced infotainment, driver assistance systems, and automatic transmissions. These systems constantly consume energy. If the battery isn't maintained properly, performance consistency suffers. Many owners blame the engine. But the real problem is voltage stability. Maintaining battery health is one of the simplest ways to restore driving sharpness. Using a smart charger occasionally keeps the battery fully balanced and prevents voltage drop. Products like the Noco Genius Smart Charger are widely used because they maintain optimal charge without damaging modern battery systems. This small habit alone can dramatically improve startup power, transmission smoothness, and throttle response consistency. Now, for the second question. When was the last time your Audi had fresh oil with the correct specification? Because oil doesn't just lubricate, it controls friction, cooling, and hydraulic timing. Audi engines rely on oil for turbo lubrication, variable valve timing, chain tensioners, and camshaft control. When oil degrades, internal resistance increases. That resistance steals efficiency. You may not notice immediately, but over thousands of miles the engine feels heavier, less eager to rev, less smooth under acceleration. Switching back to fresh oil with the correct Audi specification can restore internal efficiency almost immediately. Many owners prefer Castrol Edge Full Synthetic because it meets Audi standards and maintains viscosity under high heat. Better lubrication, more consistent turbo performance. If you want your Audi to stay responsive, subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. It costs nothing, but lets us keep producing deep technical videos. In part 2, we'll see a factor that reduces performance by 10% without any warning lights. See you there.
In part 1, we talked about 2 hidden performance killers most Audi owners ignore: electrical stability and oil condition. Now we move to something even more surprising, because sometimes the reason your Audi feels slower has nothing to do with the engine itself. It's about how efficiently the car can breathe and transfer power to the road. Modern Audi performance is a balance between airflow, traction, and electronic driving settings. If even one of these elements is slightly off, the car will feel heavier, less responsive, and less eager to accelerate. Let's start with something incredibly simple and incredibly underestimated: tire pressure, the hidden performance factor. Tire pressure has a direct impact on acceleration, grip, and rolling resistance. Audi suspension and drivetrain systems are calibrated extremely precisely. Even small deviations from the recommended pressure can affect how efficiently the car moves. If your tires are underinflated, rolling resistance increases. This means the engine must work harder to move the vehicle forward. Acceleration becomes slower and steering feels heavier. If tires are overinflated, the contact patch becomes smaller. Less rubber touches the road, which reduces grip during acceleration. In both situations, the result is the same. The car feels less responsive. And yet many drivers only check tire pressure when the dashboard warning appears. Maintaining correct pressure is one of the fastest ways to restore driving sharpness. Using a digital tire pressure gauge allows you to check pressure accurately. Instead of relying on inaccurate gas station pumps, a dedicated gauge ensures precision. Once tire pressure is corrected, many Audi drivers notice immediate improvements. Sharper steering response, better traction during acceleration, more stable high-speed driving. You didn't gain horsepower. You simply recovered performance that was being lost through resistance. Next, airflow. Your engine needs to breathe. The second major factor affecting performance is airflow. Every internal combustion engine needs three fundamental elements: fuel, air, and spark. If airflow becomes restricted, combustion efficiency drops. When that happens, the engine cannot produce power as efficiently. Over time, air filters collect dust, debris, and microscopic particles. Even when they don't appear extremely dirty, airflow may already be reduced. This can cause subtle symptoms: slight delay in throttle response, reduced pull at higher RPM, and less aggressive turbo spool. Replacing an old air filter can restore efficiency. Many owners upgrade to a high-flow filter like the K&N, which allows better airflow while maintaining filtration. This does not dramatically increase horsepower, but it restores the engine's natural efficiency. More air equals more efficient combustion and improved response. Now let's talk about a feature every Audi owner already has, but many drivers never use correctly: the Audi Drive Select system. Modern Audi vehicles include several driving modes: comfort, auto, dynamic, and individual. These adjust multiple systems simultaneously. It adjusts throttle response, transmission shift timing, steering weight, and suspension behavior. Many drivers leave the car permanently in comfort or auto mode. Switching to dynamic mode immediately sharpens the vehicle's behavior. Throttle response becomes more immediate, and the transmission holds gears longer. The car was always capable of this. You simply activated the performance calibration Audi engineers built into the system. Experience your Audi as it was designed to be.
Now let's connect everything, because most Audi owners try to increase horsepower, but very few focus on recovering the performance that slowly disappears over time. Heat cycles, airflow restriction, voltage instability, rolling resistance, driving mode calibration. Each of these factors alone might reduce performance slightly, 2% here, 3% there, but together, your Audi can easily lose 10–15% of its responsiveness without any warning light. The engine is still healthy, but the system around it is no longer operating at peak efficiency. The good news? Most of this lost performance can be recovered with a few simple steps. Step 1. Restore electrical stability. Modern Audi vehicles are extremely dependent on stable electrical power. The ECU, transmission control unit, turbo management, and dozens of sensors rely on consistent voltage. If the battery charge is unstable or partially depleted, the vehicle begins compensating. Systems become more conservative. Throttle response softens. Gear shifts become slightly slower. Boost control becomes less precise. This is why maintaining a fully charged battery is critical. Many Audi owners occasionally use a smart battery maintainer like the NOCO Genius Charger, which safely keeps modern batteries balanced and properly charged. This helps stabilize voltage across all control modules. The result is often noticeable immediately. The car feels smoother, quicker to respond, and more consistent. Step 2. Restore engine efficiency. Next comes engine efficiency. If oil is old or degraded, internal resistance increases. The turbo works harder, camshaft timing becomes slightly less precise, and the engine begins losing efficiency. Fresh oil with the correct Audi specification restores proper lubrication and cooling. Many Audi owners prefer high-quality synthetic oils, such as Castrol Edge Full Synthetic, because it maintains viscosity under high temperatures and supports turbocharged engines. Combined with a quality oil filter, this helps maintain stable oil pressure and smooth engine operation. This is not about gaining horsepower, it's about removing internal friction that slowly steals performance. Step 3. Restore airflow. Engines need clean air to produce efficient combustion. Over time, air filters accumulate dust and particles that restrict airflow. Even if the filter does not appear completely clogged, airflow may already be reduced. This reduces combustion efficiency. Replacing the air filter restores the engine's breathing ability. Performance air filters such as K&N high-flow filters are often used by Audi owners because they allow improved airflow while maintaining filtration quality. The difference is usually subtle, but the engine regains smoothness and stronger response at higher RPM. Step 4. Restore power transfer. Even if the engine is producing power efficiently, that power must reach the road. Incorrect tire pressure increases rolling resistance and reduces grip. When pressure is corrected to factory specifications, the car accelerates more efficiently and steering becomes sharper. This simple adjustment alone can change how the car feels during daily driving. Step 5. Activate performance driving mode. Finally, use the systems Audi engineers already built into the car. Drive select settings significantly influence throttle mapping and transmission behavior. Switching from comfort or auto mode into dynamic mode sharpens throttle response and allows the transmission to hold gears longer. Acceleration becomes more immediate. The car feels more aggressive. Nothing mechanical changed. You simply allowed the car to operate in its performance calibration. Final truth. You don't always need modifications to make your Audi feel faster. Often, you simply need to restore the conditions that allow the car to perform as it was designed. Stable voltage, efficient lubrication, clean airflow, proper traction, correct driving calibration. When these elements work together, the car regains the sharpness that made you fall in love with it in the first place. If you want your Audi to stay responsive, efficient, and strong for years, subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. It costs you nothing, but it allows us to continue producing deep Audi-focused technical content without generic advice. Because if you drive Audi, this channel is built for you.